Hey there PC gamers, I'm Agent Reid. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an immersive multi-screen gaming experience. Here's what I'll be using: an MSI gaming computer with NVIDIA graphics card, 3 Acer 27-inch gaming monitors, and 3 DisplayPort cables. To get started, make sure you have a computer that supports the game you want to play. The best way to do this is by visiting the website to see the required specs, and then make sure your computer meets them. Next, let's talk about your graphics card, because that's really important. Start by going to the manufacturer's website and finding your card. This is the one I'll be using. Then, take a look at the specs. First, see if it supports multiple monitors. Then, see if it supports the native resolution of your monitors. Then, make sure the drivers are updated to the latest versions. Here's how that's done on my machine. First, I'll find the manufacturer of my GPU. In my case, it's NVIDIA. Then I'll go to their website and search for the model number. This brings me to the product page where I can download the driver. Once it's downloaded, I'll double-click on the file and follow the on-screen instructions to update the driver. This usually involves rebooting your computer. Now, before we get into the fun stuff, I want to talk a little more about your screens. Ideally, they're all the same make and model. That's because monitors handle colors differently. Having the same kind will keep it smooth and consistent. I'll be using 3 monitors for this setup. That way, if I use all 3 for gaming, I won't have a split in the center. Note that you don't have to use all 3 for gaming though. You can play your game on one while listening to music or streaming a video on the other. Start by getting your monitors in place. Mine are on stands, but you can also use a mounting system. There's a link below to some great options on our website. Connect one end of the DisplayPort cable to the graphics card on your computer, and the other end to the monitor. Then do the same for the other monitors. Make sure it's a connection on your graphics card, not the onboard connection built into the motherboard. This usually means it's lower than the other connections, like this. Then do the same for the other monitors. Now turn the monitors on and power up your computer. Right away, you might notice that the arrangement of the monitors is off. Let's fix that. Again, since I'm using the NVIDIA card, I'll open up the software and go to the control panel. Look for the multiple display settings and open them. The system will now detect your monitors. You can drag them around to match how they're physically set up. Right-click on the icon for the monitor that will be your primary display, probably the center one, and select Primary. Now let's talk about Adaptive Sync. It's called different things depending on the manufacturer, but it's a setting that helps with the multi-screen experience, eliminating tears and distorted images. Let me show you how to turn it on. Again, open the graphics card software by right-clicking on the desktop and then opening the NVIDIA control panel. Find the Adaptive Sync setting. For me, it's called G-Sync. If you're using the AMD card, it's called FreeSync. Then select which monitor will have the sync enabled. It's typically your primary monitor. Check the box and click Apply. Now let me show you how to multitask while gaming. Press Alt and Tab at the same time on your keyboard. This will unlock your mouse from the game, allowing you to control other programs. To go back to controlling the game, press Alt and Tab again until the icon on your game is selected. Then release both keys. Depending on the game, you might want a larger field of view with multiple monitors, or you might want different functions on the other monitors like Game Map, Chat, or a list of keyboard shortcuts. I'm going to set mine up for a larger field of view, spanning across all monitors. Here's how you do that. Open the graphics card software again by right-clicking on the desktop and opening the NVIDIA control panel. Look for a setting that allows all monitors to act like a single screen. For me, it's Configure Surround PhysX. Click on that option, check the box next to the span display with Surround, and click Configure. Now move the display icons to match the orientation of the numbers that are displayed on each monitor, and click Enable Surround. To really dial in the experience, go into the video settings of your game and make a few more adjustments. For example, experimenting with the resolution is really common until you get one that's just right. And there you go! Your multi-screen gaming experience should be set up. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching.